Hello students, heartily welcome to Little Scholars Public School online classes subject maths. Students, today we will solve exercise 9D. 8 ball point pen cost rupees 64. What is the cost of one pen? So students, first we write the ratio. So ratio of ball pen equal to ratio of cost. Now ratio of ball pen means 8 ball pen and 1 ball pen. So 8 is to 1 equal to, what is the cost of 8 ball? Rupees 64 is to x. Now what is the formula of ratio? Product of extremes equal to product of means. So product of extreme is first and fourth term is the extremes. 8x equal to second and third term is a product of means. 1 multiplied by 64. So 64 ones are 64. X is equal to 64 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 eights are 64. So x equal to 8. So the cost of one ball pen is rupees 8. Now next example. If 7 kg of tea cost 140 rupees, find the cost of 10 kg tea. Now we write first ratio. Ratio of tea weight equal to ratio of cost. 7 kilogram is to 10 kilogram. What is the weight of tea? 7 kilogram is to 10 kilogram equal to ratio of cost 140 rupees is to x, because we want to find out 10 kilogram, the cost of 10 kilogram tea. So suppose that the cost of 10 kilogram tea is x. So 140 rupees is to x. Now what is the formula? Product of extremes is equal to product of means. So product of extreme is first and fourth term 7x, and product of means second and third term 10 multiplied by 140. So x equal to 10 multiplied by 140, 1400, and x equal to that 7 is a multiplication, is going in a right hand side, it is a division. So 1400 by 7 divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 0, 0. So x is equal to 200. So 10 kilogram of tea cost is 200 rupees. Now third example is, in 25 minutes a train travels 20 km. How far will it travel in 5 minutes? So first we write the ratio. Ratio of time equal to ratio of distance. Time is 25 minutes and 5 minutes. How far will it travel in 5 minutes? So suppose that it travel in 5 minutes x. Suppose that it travels is x kilometer. So 25 minutes is to 5 minutes is equal to 20 kilometer is to x. Now write the formula. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. Product of extremes first and fourth term 25x, and product of means second and third term 5 multiplied by 20. So x equal to 25 is 100 and 100 divided by 25. 100 divided by 25. 25x, 25 multiplied by x. When 25 is going on right hand side, it becomes a divide. So 100 divided by 25, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, x equal to 4. 5 minutes a train travels 4 kilometer. It travels 4 kilometer in 5 minutes. Now, next example. 5 equal bags of flour, weight 35 kilogram. How many bags are required for 56 kilogram of flour? Now, again, first write the ratio. Ratio of bags is equal to ratio of weight. 5 is to x. Suppose that x bags required for 56 kg of flour. So 5 is to x equal to 35 kg is to 56 kg. Now product of extremes is equal to product of means. The product of extremes, first and fourth term, 5 multiplied by 56. Product of means, second and third term, 35x. So 5 multiplied by 56, 280 equal to 35x. Then x equal to 280 divided by 35. So 7 5s are 35 and 7 4s are 28, 0. So now again 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. So x equal to 8. X equal to 8. So 8 bags are required for 56 kilogram of flour. Now next example. 12 rubber balls cost rupees 50. How many can I buy? How many can I buy for 20 rupees? Now again ratio of rubber balls is equal to ratio of cost. Now rubber balls, 12 rubber balls. Now we want to take out the how many balls we bought for 20 rupees. So 12 is to x equal to ratio of cost 15 rupees is to 20 rupees. Now formula, product of extremes is equal to product of means. Product of extremes, first and fourth term, 12 multiplied by 20. And product of means, second and third term, 15x. Now 12 multiplied by 20, 240 equal to 15x. Now 15 here, multiplication. The 15 is going in a left hand side, so it becomes a division. So 240 divided by 15. So 5 3s are 15. 240 divided by 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 8s are 40. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 18. So x is equal to 16. So I bought 16 balls in 20 rupees. I can buy 16 balls in 20 rupees. So next example is 11 buses can carry 495 people. How many persons can travel by 8 buses? Now again we write first ratio of buses equal to ratio of people. We want same unit. So 11 is to 8. 11 is to 8, the ratio of buses, and ratio of people 495 is to x, because suppose that x persons travel by 8 buses. So product of extremes is equal to product of means. Now again product of extremes, first and fourth term 11x, and product of means second and third term 8 multiplied by 495. Now we multiply 495 multiplied by 8, 3960. So x is equal to 3960 divided by 11. So 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33, 6 is remaining, 11 6 are 66, 0. So 360. 360 person persons can travel by 8 buses. Next example. A boy can run 49 meters in 6.3 seconds. How far can be run in 4.5 seconds? So 4.5 seconds a boy run x meters. Suppose that x. The distance is x. So first we write the ratio. Ratio of distance is equal to ratio of time. 49 meters is to x equal to 6.3 second is to 4.5 second. Now we write formula. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. Product of extremes, first and fourth term, 49 multiplied by 4.5 equal to product of means second and third term, 6.3x. So students, we write 49 multiplied by 4.5. 4.5 means 45 by 10. So 49 multiplied by 45 by 10 multiplied by 10 by 63, because 6.3 here multiplied, then going in a left hand side it becomes a division, and reciprocal of division is 10 by 63. 10 cut. Now 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49, 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So 7 5s are 35. So x is equal to 35. Now a boy can be run 35 meters in 4.5 seconds. Now which is better, buy a dozen bananas for 30 rupees or a score of bananas for 40 rupees? Which is better? So dozen means 12 bananas and students, score means 20 bananas. 12 bananas is rupees 30 and 20 bananas is rupees 40. First we take out the value of price of one banana. So the one banana is equal to 30 by 12. So 30 by 12. So one banana 2 rupees 50 paise. One banana is 2 rupees 50 paise. Now 20 bananas rupees 40. So one banana 40 by 20. 22s are 40. So one banana is equal to 2 rupees. Okay. So one banana here 2 rupees. So score of bananas by for rupees 40 is better, because rupees 40 we get 20 bananas and rupees 30 we get only 12 bananas. So score of bananas for 40 rupees is better. Now next example, which car has a better speed? The one covering 240 km in 5 hours or the one covering 180 km in 4 hours? So first one car covering 5 hours is equal to 240 kilometers. So first we take out the 1 hour. The 1 hour, how many kilometer? So 1 hour is equal to 240 by 5. So 1 hour equal to 48 kilometers. Means the car speed has 1 hour 48 kilometer. Now here's another car covering 180 kilometer in 4 hours. Yes. So 1 hour is equal to 180 divided by 4. So 180 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. So 1 hour equal to 45 kilometer or 45 kilometer per hour. So which speed is better? So 5 hours 240 kilometer is better speed. So students, I hope you understand this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.